Hi everybody, I'm Peter from Off-Road Electric. Welcome to the channel. First thing we are going to do to remove this steering arm from the steering box. There is a special puller for this steering arm. It's about $300. Of course, that's something what I'm not going to pay. So I got these ordinary bearing pullers. They are 75 for 105 millimeters, and I bought two of them and I put them together, and I think it will work pretty well. I can even use them for anything else because they are adjustable, and I can use them even for these joints, because there is of course different puller from the manufacturer, so I would have to pay for them also $300. So let's go. We'll apply pressure on it. This is really massive, so I hope everything will go well. Wow! I expected it will be a little bit more difficult. I had to put these bolts because it was kind of bending a little bit. We have it out. And now in few minutes we are going to have a customer for the transmission. We'll load it up and then we will continue with this. No. And now we will remove the steering box. Wow, it weighs something. Awesome! And now these two bolts. Tam protáčí. Teda nevím, jak se k němu dostanu. The head of this bolt is buried under 2 inches of mess, like that. Now I know. Look at that mess. That's awesome. Nice one. That's beautiful. I can grow potatoes in it. There is something here. What the hell? No mess at all, comparing with the previous one. And now we'll take out the shocks. Okay. Good. I'm very unprofessional, because I don't have gloves. To znamená, že...
English, please.
And we have last 2 bolts over here on another side, and 2 bolts on the end, and 2 bolts over there. After that, the frame will be free and we'll remove it.
Wow.
No, no wow. It'll be messy. There are some strange security washers. I doubt I can unscrew it from the bottom. I try. I can put gun there. I don't see any other way. I will have to cut these big bolts off. I don't really want to. I couldn't see that under that soil, but there is a security ring. That's why I couldn't move it. And this is okay. Wow! Look at that. Wow, I have never seen this. To překládat nebudem. Bože, já jsem tak blbej, no konečně vím, jak to funguje. So we have last 4 bolts over here, two over here, 2 over there. But I cannot put the socket there because the heads are too close of this bracket. Yeah. Genius design. So I'm going to grind this material away and then I can unbolt it hopefully. Super! Hele, pracant.
Ahoj. Není ti zima?
Ne. Mami?
Kuk.
Finally!
Wow.
So we have this side done and we'll go to next one. Mám to tam?
Jo.
And if this falls on me, I will be dead. And this video will have 15 trillion views. We have one last left. There is a lot of material here. Very small gap, but I can reach it easily. I think this one will be the easiest one. I completely ruined the socket. I don't have any other one, so I have to fix it. Make it a little bit shorter so I can actually put it again on the bolt head. The first like 1/4 of inch probably. A little bit more shallower, but I can use it. It should work. Ty vole. Jsem zase zrujnoval normálně. Yay, it's going. Hallelujah. Done. I know when you look at it, it will be just few seconds or minutes after editing, but I can tell you I'm sweating, and I will not tell you how long time it took me. Okay, that will be it for today. We managed somehow to free this frame, and I thought it would take much shorter time than it actually took, but almost every board had some issue, but we finally got it done. Stay tuned for next time because we are going to remove this frame. Also, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. If you want to support us, you can do so through Patreon and PayPal, or you can purchase these t-shirts. They are very nice and comfortable, and information is again down below the video. I also want to thank our supporters, our patrons and people who decided to purchase these t-shirts. See you next time.